Look at that. Look closely. Closer. 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 Look past the jealous neighbors. Look past the green. Look past the grass. What are you left with? How'd that beautiful lawn come to be? Soil. Good old-fashioned earth. The literal building block of the world. It's that basic. So if you can't take care of that, how can you take care of your lawn? Introducing from Turf Titan, Root Booster. Take it back to the basics. Undernourished grass and plants leave nutrients inaccessible in the soil under lock and key. Root Booster unlocks those fertilizers with the power of microbes. The nutrients are there in your soil, but it takes Root Booster to unleash them. The perfect conditions for your lawn don't have to be waited for. They don't have to be found. With Root Booster, the perfect conditions are created by you, improving your soil health and plant growth through the entire year. Compatible with any and all grass types and garden plants, Root Booster is ready for application every time you dig or plant. Look closer at the basics. Look back at the soil, and you'll look forward at the future. At visible results and jealous neighbors, courtesy of Root Booster. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.